Hi, this is Zak Mir from Zak's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday, the 26th of February. Starting off with Aureus Mining, and you can see that in a break after an extended base in a rising trend channel from December, uptrended line in the RSI window as well, backing the move. An end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 4.35 pence today should be enough to take the shares up to 8 pence over the next few weeks at the top of the rising late 2015 price channel. Stop loss at the moment back below the 10-day moving average, 3.22 pence on an end of day close basis. Next up is Capex, where fans of the shares have been sort of in the wilderness for a while. The latest significant move here is the break of the 50-day moving average at 3.09 pence on an end of day close basis. Broke that quite nicely yesterday after a RSI rebound through the 50 level to leave it at 59. View at the moment is that we're probably in a rising trend channel from as long ago as November. Top of the channel heading for 7 pence over the next couple of months, hopefully. Floor of the channel just below the 10-day line as mentioned. Initial target 4.9 pence, which is the 200-day moving average. If you're cautious on the shares, obviously wait for an end of day close above 3.7 pence, which was the initial February resistance, although it looks as though enough has been done to signal a new leg to the upside. Cubo Mining is next, and here we've had a difficult situation, difficult candidate here, but shares delivered higher support towards 4 pence for February versus the sub 3.5 pence floor in December. So that gives us a trajectory here which seems to be on the positive side. Something like the lines I'm drawing, so heading towards 6.5 pence over the next couple of months. End of day close above the 200-day moving average at 4.61. The entry trigger for those who are cautious on the shares, and stop loss an end of day close or a weekly close back below the 4 pence level. LGO Energy is next, and its recovery continues quite strongly here. The initial end of day close above the 50-day moving average is met with a decent follow through here. Big news for Thursday's session was that the price action was wholly above the 50-day line at 0.24 pence. So while we remain above that feature, heading as high as 0.5 pence, which is the top of this triangle from December timeframe, the next couple of weeks. On to Northcote Energy, where it's been a long wait for a decent recovery here. Still waiting to some extent, but the positive here is that we've got a break back above the 50-day moving average at 0.05 pence. Probably want to see a weekly close above the mid-February resistance at 0.08 pence if we're cautious, but otherwise we should be on our way towards a 0.16 target over the next 2 to 3 months, while there's no breakback below the 50-day line on a sustained basis. RSI 55 leading indicator on a push to the upside as well. Finishing off with the Range Resources, which obviously has been a rather difficult customer over the recent past. The highlight here really the break above the 50-day moving average. The second time of asking. The first time was earlier in February. That featured 0.26 pence, and so while we're above that, looking for progress towards the 200-day moving average at 0.48 pence. That's the black line there on the daily chart. Also, we've got potential target there at the top of an October price channel towards 0.55 pence over the next couple of months. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close above the initial February peak at 0.32 pence. That's it for me. More updates on Monday.